What, did you hear that? Okay, I don't think that was anything. Huh. I don't know what that was. I think it's just wings or something. Oh. Teal? But it is our 2024 youth season, my last one ever for the rest of my life until I have kids, and then I can shoot for them. And then, yeah, but basically, and we're gonna get 100 and I'm at 12. Today we're gonna get 12. If we kidnap Bryson like I said we should, then we could have got 18. That's okay.
Yeah. Basically.
Daddy, do you think it's gonna be puddle ducks or diver?
Puddles. I think it's gonna be teal.
I think it's gonna be puddle ducks, and I think we're gonna shoot mergansers too.
Are you gonna shoot a merganser?
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot a merganser. Gonna shoot whatever comes in. If it flies, it dies.
Yeah. I think it's gonna be diver ducks because it's youth season, and everyone knows I can't shoot, so I think it's gonna be diver ducks.
But I think that we're gonna shoot some mallards too, because that's all we've heard all morning is mallards.
Right.
Wank, 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 wank.
We can shoot teal too, right?
Yeah. Are you gonna let us shoot too?
Yeah.
Okay. We can get Link can get a real one this time.
Okay.
Oh. Did you hear that?
Hear the teal?
Yeah.
Did you hear it?
Oh wait, no. Let me stay
Look at our spread. We got the teal over here. Got a bunch of little.
Did you hear that?
Yeah. Bunch of little shaky butts over here. We got a couple swimming decoys. We got 3 mojos out. It's gonna be lit.
I'm so nervous. And the last time that we hunted this day, last year on Youth Day, we got 9.
Look at them all.
Look at them. What the freak? Look at them.
They're coming around. Are they looking at us?
No.
I don't know. Shoot it. Shoot him, girl. Oh! Nope. Miss, don't know. That's enough. Videoing.
Oh, that's embarrassing.
I was about to get a picture. I said our video in her. What happened, Gabe?
Yeah.
You guys suck. That's what happened, guys.